Boeing C-17. Hello and welcome to War Secrets channel. The United States of America has one of the strongest military, and its jets and air carriers are very formidable. One of the most important assets of the USA Air Force is Boeing C-17. In this video, we'll tell you all about the amazing military transport aircraft in complete detail. So without any further delay, let's get started. The McDonnell Douglas Boeing C-17 Globemaster III is a large military transport aircraft produced by McDonnell Douglas for the United States Air Force USAF from the 1980s to the early 1990s. The C-17 continues the legacy of two prior piston-engined military freight planes, the Douglas C-74 Globemaster and the Douglas C-124 Globemaster II. The C-17 is widely used for tactical and strategic airlift operations, moving soldiers and goods all over the world. Other tasks include medical evacuation and airdrop duty. It had its maiden flight back in September 1991, whereas it was originally introduced into the U.S. Air Force in July 1993. In 1980, the United States Air Force requested a bigger transport that could be refueled in flight and use raw forward fields to travel anywhere in the world. McDonnell Douglas received the contract to manufacture the C-17 on August 28, 1981. All Air Force design criteria were met or surpassed, and the massive transport was able to use runways at 19,000 airfields. The C-17 was manufactured at Long Beach, California, and the first C-17 squadron took the skies in January 1995. The C-17 fleet has participated in a number of contingency operations, including transport soldiers and equipment to Operation Joint Endeavor to assist peacekeeping in Bosnia and the Allied operation in Kosovo. In 1998, 8 C-17s performed the world's largest airdrop mission, traveling more than 8,000 nautical miles, 14,816 kilometers, from the United States to the Central Asia and dropping troops and equipment after more than 19 hours in the air. That is just about history of the Boeing C-17. Let us know about the strength and features of the massive transport aircraft. It has a long international range and can land on tiny airfields. A completely integrated electronic cockpit and sophisticated cargo system allows a three-person crew, pilot, co-pilot, and loadmaster to operate all systems on every flight. With a cargo of 160,000 pounds, 72,600 kilograms, the C-17 can take off from a 7,600-foot, 2,316 meters runway, travel 2,400 nautical miles, 4,444 kilometers, and land in 3,000 feet, 914 meters or less. The C-17 may be refueled while flying. On the ground, a fully laden aircraft can back up a 2% slope using engine reversers. The C-17s have set 33 world records during normal testing, including payload to altitude time to climb and a short takeoff and landing mark, in which the C-17 took off in less than 1,400 feet, 427 meters, carried a payload of 44,000 pounds, 20,000 kilograms to altitude, and landed in less than 1,400 feet, 427 meters. A propulsive lift mechanism enables the C-17 to land safely on short runways. The C-17 can land full cargo in less than 3,000 feet. The engine exhaust is used to produce lift in the propulsive lift system. The exhaust from the engine is directed into huge flaps that extend into the exhaust stream, allowing the aircraft to make a steep approach at a low landing speed. Let us know about the cockpit of the Boeing C-17 Globemaster III. The cockpit of the C-17 contains a pilot, a co-pilot, and two observers. 4 Honeywell multifunction cathode ray tube screens, 2 full capability HUDs, head-up displays, and cargo systems are part of the digital avionics system. There is also a mechanically operated backup mechanism in the quadruple redundant electronic flight control system. 2 Lockheed Martin central processing computers, 1 Hamilton Sundstrand data management computer, and 2 Honeywell Air data computers are available. Northrop Grumman Navigation System is providing new mission computers and displays, as well as new softwares for the warning and caution system as part of a program to update the C-17A avionics. The automated flight control system has been updated with the BAE system CSLEOS real-time operating system, which has been certified for the GATM Global Air Traffic Management System standards. The C-17 Globemaster III has an advanced cargo system as well. The cargo compartment design allows the C-17 to transport a variety of vehicles, palleted goods, paratroops, airdrop cargoes, and aeromedical evacuees. The cargo compartment is large enough to transport heavy-wheeled and tracked equipment, tanks, helicopters such as the AH-64 Apache, artillery, and armaments like the Patriot missile system. One deployment load of the C-17 consists of 3 Bradley armored vehicles. The primary combat tank of the United States Army, the M1A1, may be transported with other vehicles. The maximum payload is 170,900 pounds, 77,519 kilograms, and there are 18 pallet slots, 4 of which are on the ramp. A single load of 60,000 pounds, 27,216 kilograms, consecutive loads of up to 110,000 pounds, 49,895 kilograms, container delivery system, CDS airdrop up to 40 containers, each weighing 2,350 pounds, 1,066 kilograms, and up to 102 paratroops are all possible. The transport plane is outfitted with the LAPES, Low Altitude Parachute Extraction System drop mechanism. The C-17 can deliver up to 36-liter and 54 ambulatory patients and attendants for medevac. C-17s can take off from 7,600 feet airstrip, travel 2,400 nautical mile, and refuel in the air. It can land on a 3,500 feet, 1,064 meter long, and 90 feet, 27.4 meter broad airstrip. The countermeasure tech of the Globemaster III C-17 is also unprecedented. The AN/AAR-47 is equipped with a set of surface-mounted thermal sensor that detects a thermal signature of the missile exhaust plume. To reduce the number of false alarms, frequency selection and signal processing techniques are utilized. The system warns the crew of the existence and direction of the missile danger via the cockpit indicator unit. The ALE-47 dispenser receives an automated signal. The AN/ALE-47 may carry a variety of disposable countermeasures, including jammers. The system communicates with a sensor of the C-17 Globemaster III aircraft. The dispenser's mode of operation can be completely automatic, semi-automatic, or manual, as determined by the aircrew. Mission data, as well as the quantity and kind of disposable countermeasure system placed into the ALE-47, may be entered into the cockpit control unit. The cockpit controller updates and shows the status of the dispenser, as well as the amount and kind of countermeasures that are still available. The ALE-47 dispenser can dispense new generation active expendable decoys, POET, and GenX, as well as the traditional chaff and flare decoys that are compatible with the previous generation ALE-40 and ALE-39 dispensers. The Northrop Grumman Large Aircraft Infrared Countermeasures LAIRCM system is installed on 56 USAF C-17 aircraft. The AN/AAQ-24V Nemesis serves as the basis for the LAIRCM. In August 2002, it began low-rate beginning production, and in July 2004, it completed first operational test and evaluation. 25 upgraded planes have already been delivered. The system went into operation in 2007. LAIRCM is installed on 4 aircraft leased by the United Kingdom's Royal Air Force (RAF). 4 Pratt & Whitney PW2040 military designation F117 PW100 turbofan engines with a total thrust of 40,440 pounds are incorporated into the wings. Engine thrust reversers and speed brakes allow the aircraft to do fast deceleration and descent maneuvers while in flight. The cruising speed is between 0.74 and 0.77 Mach. The range is 2,400 nautical mile without in-flight refueling and with a payload of 160,000 pounds. Area refueling gives a non-stop transcontinental range. So these are the power-packed features of the Boeing C-17. But who are the customers of this historic aircraft? There are now 274 C-17s in service across the world. The United States Air Force is the aircraft's main customer, with 223 on 12 sites. Outside of that country, the C-17 Globemaster III is used by the United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, Kuwait, Qatar, the United Arab Emirates, India, and the 12-nation strategic airlift capability. Another reason of the distinguished clientele of the C-17 is its sustainability. Since the first C-17 was delivered in 1993, Boeing has collaborated with the U.S. Air Force on C-17 sustainment. Boeing offers sustainment and maintenance for worldwide C-17 clients in 8 allied nations, with a focus on excellent performance at a low cost. The C-17 fleet has the greatest combined dollar per flight hour and mission competent rate in the industry, functioning at the highest level of readiness in the world. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the like button below, followed by the subscribe button. Finally, the bell button next to you ensures that you never miss any of our content. You may also share our videos and come back to see what else we have to offer. See you in the next video.